Hello and welcome to our Getting Started with 360 Monitoring series. In this video, we'll delve into the powerful Full Site Check feature. Full Site Check is a comprehensive tool designed to protect your online presence by detecting errors and anomalies within your web projects. Let's get started. Within the Full Site Check section, you'll find an array of features to help you maintain a healthy and error-free website. The Full Site Check includes a crawler that meticulously scans your entire web project, highlighting any issues it encounters. Some of the key capabilities of the Full Site Check include identifying broken links, JavaScript errors, big files that may affect loading times, missing images and resources, as well as compatibility with Google Fonts. After running a Full Site Check, you'll be able to review the results in the Recent Checks section. This provides an overview of all the checks you've conducted in the past, allowing you to track improvements over time. When reviewing the results of a Full Site Check, you'll notice a helpful feature called the 360 Advisor. It provides insightful information and guidance on how to resolve specific errors or issues encountered during the check. Furthermore, you have the option to download the results as a CSV file for further analysis or documentation. Once you've addressed and resolved the identified issues, you can rerun the Full Site Check to assess the improvements. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to explore our other videos in this series for more valuable insights and tips on how to make the best use of 360 monitoring.